gantry is now showing media preview, and then you have the crew members at entry ops in Halloween mode now. So this year the lanyard that they're giving to the media is Stranger Things. They even have the Stranger Things lanyard. We are on our way to the media preview dinner. So that's the Killuminati haunted house entrance. Quite simple, but I guess it'll be elaborate inside. Usually, if the sign looks simple, it's elaborate inside. We learned this from Adrift back in 2013. The signboard was so, I don't know, but the haunted house was completely mind-blowing. Wow. Okay, let's go. What do you get?
Lamb tacos. That's very good. I think one for you lah.
Okay, thanks. That's very interesting. All this stuff here are moving props around for the Apocalypse Earth zone. Wow. In this year's Media Kit, got this little fan here. So I can...
How much is the fan like effect on my hair?
Your hair is barely moving.
The theme of Infinite Fear, Halloween Horror Nights is proud to present 5 haunted houses, 3 killer shows, 2 scare zones, and the return of a zombie laser tag.
For the first time ever, it's E.T. night.
Every year we put on a spectacle at the start of every event, and our opening ceremony this year, the theme is Infinite Fear. Fear is something we all have in common. It lives inside the mind. So we have a patient who's checking himself into a psychiatric hospital to take a look inside his head because he's suffering from night terrors. I'm very excited. It's here at Hollywood Pantages Theatre. We bring you Dead Talks.
Wow, Dead Talks are starting.
Before Gideon, I could barely steal candy from a baby. Now look at me. Help! Stop!
For thousands of years, Gideon Grimm has ruled the underworld. A true leader and innovator of death, Gideon Grimm is responsible for millions of deaths. Gideon Grimm! Let me hear you scream!
Now we're gonna go visit haunted houses. But first we need to walk through the Apocalypse Earth scare zone. Wow! It looks really awesome at night, I tell you, this place.
You took us for granted, like no one's business. Now you all shall pay. Suffering and pain is all coming to you. The goddess of your world is waiting for you. Mother Nature.
Oh my god, there's a special guest. We're off to our first house. So if you watch the first vlog thing, I said that Sci-Fi City will close. I know I said close, but Sci-Fi City doesn't have any horror attractions. So for tonight, they didn't even keep BSG on because there's no point having a preview of Battlestar Galactica because practically everyone's bringing on it already. So yeah, 你没看不到啊？太暗了。So we are going to the first haunted house called the Haunting of Oiwa. It's the Japanese haunted house. So interestingly, the same place where they did this Haunting of Oiwa haunted house, they had Hoolies in and Make the Cut, which is the Korean theme house. So it's like always Asian theme house at this location for some reason. It looks really creepy. After the Haunting of Oiwa, we are going to walk through the Cannibal scarezone. This is the scariest haunted house, or so they say. And we are going in next. Now we're going to the Pagoda of Peril. It's quite dark, but you can just see the pagoda lit up in red. What is going on inside? This house is surprisingly visually stunning because it's so colorful inside. So yeah, you can have a colorful life in hell, I guess, at the Pagoda of Peril. Another cool thing is we actually got to walk up the pagoda, or at least a bit of it. Yeah, that's pretty cool, unexpected. So don't miss this haunted house, which is located at the Waterworld Place. Look at that, Singapore exclusive.
Run! Will! Run! Where? What does that mean?
This is the Killuminati haunted house. We're getting split up already in the first
My son, true immortality will be born by the light of the sun. My blood, its light, this cold vessel for Killuminati. It is done. Rise.
Go!
me laser tag. There's actually a video screen here. I think it's showing a live feed of what's happening inside. I found another celebrity tonight. I'll end this video here. Stay tuned for the opening night video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more USS updates.